Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel Beyond Imagination. So, today's topic is all about trigger method. Now, this is a gun, and this we call as a trigger. What happen if we pull the trigger? Obviously, we will get some bullets out of it. Now, consider this as trigger word for us, and at the end of the result, we can say we get some example sentence. So, this method is relying on this system. So, like this, we have the first trigger call offer an invitation. So, the moment I use this word as a trigger, it produces one sentence to me as a bullet. Now, let's read what is that example sentence. Would you like to have a cup of tea? And whenever I use this sentence, it means that I'm offering something. Like this, we have 40 plus triggers in this video. So, let's see all of them one by one. Identity. India is famous for its culture and heritage. Inaction trigger. She is writing her journal at this moment. Former state. It was a nice sunny day yesterday. Destiny. I will buy a brand new car next year. Experience in progress. I have been working on this project since 2020. Routine and habits. I attend my BI class every day. No existence. I had my school bag with me yesterday. Yesterday in action. I was learning triggers yesterday. Instruction. Please follow the sequence of the group activity carefully. Prohibition. You can't park your car in front of the building gate. Preference. I prefer learning English from BI class. That's our class, man. Suggestion. Why don't we revise our triggers every day? You should revise triggers every day. But what's that? That's a suggestion? No, that's an advice. Let's see, advice will be also there. Description. The kitchen is well equipped and modern. Possession. I have two pencils and an eraser in my compass box. Ability. She can solve difficult puzzles quickly. Regret. I should have studied harder for my exam. Obligation. I have to clean my room every Sunday. Old news. I went to Mumbai with my family yesterday. Advice. We should follow all the instructions carefully. Possibility in past. He might have won the game last night. Condition sentence. Now, the first example if plus formal stage plus would. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Experience. I have already done my homework. Prediction. I am going to be a billionaire soon. Of course. Tool talent. I could run 5 kilometers yesterday morning. No choice yesterday. I had to wake up early this morning because of my college. Game plan. I am going to visit Mumbai tomorrow. Request. Could you please speak loudly? Yes, of course. Comparison. School life is better than college life. Do you think the same? Send into the comment box. Condition. If plus routine plus routine. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. Double past. Mother had cleaned the home before our guest arrived. Condition sentence. If plus no existence plus could. If he had a bike, he could ride to school. Possibility future. I might feel tired after my exam tomorrow. Strong rule. I must eat healthy food to improve my immunity. Now I have changed. You must eat healthy food to improve your immunity. Next, destiny in action. I will be writing my journal sincerely tomorrow. Please write. Past journey. I had been learning English for 3 months. Great job. Logical guess. She must have written her journal by this time. Craving. I want to buy a new house soon. Condition sentence. If plus routine plus destiny. If you study harder, you will pass the exam. Disappointment. I was supposed to clean my room yesterday. Like dislikes or hates. I like eating apples after my workout. Opinion and belief. I think India will win the match tomorrow. Emotions and feelings. I feel happy when I meet my friends. Condition sentence. If plus double past plus would have done. If they had called me, I would have helped them. Observation. I noticed that he speaks very slowly. Condition sentence. If plus old news plus would. If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. Okay, this was the last trigger. Now you also tell me, if you won the lottery, what would you do? Write in our comment box. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.